Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, Philip.
Hello,
Aishu.
good evening.
Good evening. Let's wait for 3 minutes, more 3 minutes.
Sure.
I shared my screen, guys. Able to listen, able to view my screen. Is my voice audible?
Yeah, the screen is visible, audible.
Okay, fine. So let me start with the introduction. So I'm Raghu. I have nearly 10 plus years of experience in training and development for Excel, macros, and dashboard preparations. I'm working in an organization and I work on Tableau, Power BI, SQL, Excel, Advanced Excel, SQL, macros. So these are the tools I'm working on in real time. So, but for Excel and macros, for training and development, I have nearly 10 plus years of experience. So in this 10 plus years of experience, I have dealt with multiple projects, VB automations, multiple dashboards. I given trainings for multiple colleges, corporate trainings for multiple companies. Okay, this is my overall experience. And so I just wanted to know background of yours. So why you want to learn advanced Excel and your name from where and why you want to learn Excel. Just this 2 to 3 as a part of introduction. Okay. Can someone go ahead? Yeah, Monojit.
Hey, hello everyone. I am Jit. Currently, I'm in Pune because of my job. So I work in FNA team. So I want to learn Excel to build my skill to quickly do some work and also present the Excel dashboard and those things.
Okay. So Monojit, you are working.
Yes, I'm working.
Okay. So here in Hyderabad or location?
Pune.
Pune. Great. Yeah. Great. Great. Cool. So next. Done with Monojit. Next one. Someone can go ahead. Just a small introduction. Your name, organization you
Hi,
are
sir.
working.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, sir. I'm Dr. Hina from the AIG Hospitals.
From AIG.
I am a physiotherapist. Yes, sir. AIG Hospitals. I am working in marketing corporate relations right now. So I did my physiotherapy. After that, I did my master's in physiotherapy and then master's in hospital management. So, sir, the reason I wanted to learn Excel because it will enhance my skills and also, in corporate relations and marketing, most of the things we have to maintain the data and everything. So, I want to learn, make the data, the dashboard, and all that. So, it will help and enhance my progress in my job and day-to-day activities. So, that's
Thank
the
you.
reason I wanted to join this class.
Yeah, great, Hina.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you. Great profile. Great profile. First time I was looking.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Great.
Thank
Great to hear your profile.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Next one. Anyone else here? I see list of people, right? Philip.
Hi everyone, Finney here. I'm working in Abu Dhabi as a system support engineer in
Okay,
a
great.
school. So I have to deal with 3,000 students or 4,000 students per day in Excel sheet. So
Okay.
it's quite difficult to handle all of them. If I know a bit more, I can make my life easier.
Yeah, Fini. So what sort of data you deal with? All the students' data?
Yes, absolutely. Sometimes marks, sometimes PCR result,
Yeah.
all
I
sorts of
think
things.
you'll be learning a lot of examples, school-related things here.
Absolutely.
Great, Fini. Yeah. Next one.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir. This is Pushpali.
Yeah, Pushpavali.
I want to improve my technical skills, sir. So I am joining for the Excel thing.
Sure, you are working, Pushpavali?
No, sir.
No, you are looking for any job opportunity?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So once we created a group batch, definitely you will be getting the updates.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But it's okay, but try to learn the Excel. Okay, first if you learn Excel, even my reference will not work. You automatically will get the job. Yeah.
Thank you.
Santosh.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, this is Santosh. I'm from Kukatpalli in Hyderabad. Actually, I'm very interested to learn in English.
Santosh, you
learning
just message
Excel.
that you are coming to housing board, right?
Yeah, offline, sir. Actually, I'm not interested to attend the online classes.
Sure,
Because some
sure,
of the
sure.
internet issue have.
Sure, Santosh. No issues. Definitely, you'll
Yeah.
be attending offline sessions. Once I get the batch finalized, definitely
Okay.
we will be taking offline sessions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't worry,
Yeah.
Santosh.
Yeah, okay.
Good.
Sir.
Shravan. Hi, Shravan.
Hi sir, I am Shravan Kumar.
Hello. Yep.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, Shravan.
Hi sir, I am Shravan Kumar. I am staying Kukatpalli.
Okay.
I am working in mutual funds.
Okay, cool. So you do mutual funds. You are a supporter or?
Supporter.
Okay, cool. So all related stocks related information. You'll be doing trading?
Yes.
Cool. You'll be analyzing the data when you're investing?
No sir.
No. Okay. Yeah. Next. Sabita. Sabita, good evening.
Hi, I'm Sabita. I'm
Sabita, I
here
think
to
we already spoke. I think
Yes.
I already spoke with you. Okay. Good.
Yes, yeah.
So you just, okay, go ahead. No problem. If you want to introduce to this group, you can.
Oh, okay. I have my background in HR and payroll. I'm here in India for a vacation, so I thought I would learn a little bit
You're
of
in
advanced
India for?
Excel.
You are in
I'll
India
be
for?
here for 1 month.
Okay. You came for a family function or?
No, just for a vacation, 1 month vacation.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so I thought I would learn this Excel to enhance my skills in
Cool.
reporting and stuff that
Okay.
would, help me.
Good. So yeah, so we are done with everyone. So let me start about the introduction, what topics, what situations I'm going to cover in Excel. I'm going to show you. Okay. So let's start with some basic examples. So everyone able to see my screen? Everyone is audible? My voice is clear? No
Yeah, it's
issues?
all.
Yes, sir.
No issues.
Cool. I think great. Yeah, this batch, lot of good interaction. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So how many rows we have in Excel? Can anyone tell me how many rows we have in Excel?
Nearly 17,000.
10,48,576 rows.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
How many columns we have?
16,384.
Yeah. $16,384. So right now you are seeing Office 2016 version. So how you can check which version you are using? How we can check? If you go to file, if you go to account, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how you can see which version of Excel you are using. Okay, I'm using 2016. Right now, in most of the companies, you're using, okay, Office 365. Okay, so this top portion is called as a ribbon. This top portion is called as a ribbon. And you can see these are called as tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout, file, data, review, view, developer, few people who knows macros, they can view developer tab. If not, you can't see developer tab. Okay, but anyhow, when you're learning Excel and macros, you will come to know about this tab. But these are called as tabs, and this is whole part is called as a ribbon. And right now we are using Office 2016, and rows and columns. We have these many rows and columns. One question to everyone: can we put this much of data in Excel? Is it possible?
Yeah, is it possible?
It's possible. Pinny, is it possible?
Yes, it is.
I think Excel automatically will slow down. You can't apply any formulas. You can't do any calculations. Max Excels, these are not text files, these are flat files. So you can view the data, but you can't store this much of data. If we can store this much of data, most of our, real-time data, what companies are using, they can opt for this. They're not opt for other big tools like big data, Hadoop, Hive, all those things. But here, max 5 lakhs to speed up your Excel. If it is more than 5 lakhs or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakhs, your Excel application automatically it will slow down. Okay, it's possible to keep, we can view, but the performance will be very slow, very, very slow. Okay, some disturbance, traffic disturbance. Can someone go on mute? Okay, so next one. So my session will goes from basic cut, copy, paste, cut, copy, paste from the basics. Okay, from the basics, from cut, copy, paste, I'll start the session. Okay, till the advanced level. For that, I want to show you some short glimpse of my session. So I'll ask some question. I want to enter a serial number from 1 to 1000. So can anyone tell me? Can anyone navigate me how you can enter 1 to 1000? Simple. I want to enter numbers which are from 1 to 1000. No? Yes? Tina ma'am,
Yes, sir.
please.
So I think it's flat fill. I think I sometimes it's not that basic. I know, but yeah, flat fill.
Yeah, I'm just asking. I need. Yeah. So I'm just asking. I need numbers from 1 to 1000 like this. Till 1000. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible.
Yes.
Maybe an insert function.
Insert. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me show you that how to enter a series of numbers. See here, I'm entering 1. Okay. I'm entering 1. Alt H if I is, I want in columns, I want 1000 numbers. See, I got 1000 numbers. Okay, I got 1000 numbers. Not only 1000, if I want 10,000 also, I'll be getting 10,000 within fraction seconds. 1. So I'll be selecting some option. I'll be teaching this. Need not to worry. Okay, 10,000. Just click on OK. Okay, these are, see, I have done with the help of keyboard only, not with mouse. So most of my session will goes on keyboard only. So if you are interested, you can get an hands-on live session with me also. You can just do practice at your end also at the same time simultaneously. I don't have any issues. But you must have some keyboard skills, fast keyboard skills. Okay.
Yeah, so that's
So,
better.
someone go on mute. Ma'am, you have any questions? Someone go on mute, please.
Oh no, sir. I mean to say, if we have a keyboard exercise, that would be better. Like we can leave mouse or you can fastly work on the keyboard. That's better. Thank you.
I did not get you, ma'am. I did not get you. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello. Sir,
Yeah,
can
you
you
are
hear me?
saying, you are saying something, ma'am. I could not hear your voice properly.
I meant to say that that's good that we are having keyboard exercises because finally we can leave the mouse alone and we can fastly work on the keyboard. I was saying that. So that's good. Thank you.
Okay, okay. But some disturbance, madam. Your voice is not clear for me. But anyhow, it's okay.
Okay, okay.
You can drop a chat. You can drop a chat.
Sure, okay. Okay, sure. Okay.
I'm really confused. I'm really confusing. So, yeah. So this is how we can use some shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts, which enhance your skills, and you can work very easily, and your work will be done very fast. Okay. How much time I took to enter, 1 to 10,000 numbers within fraction of seconds. Similarly, if you want to dates also, I'll be generating dates as well. Like if I want till year end, I will generate dates as well. Okay. Not only every day, I use weekdays also. I'll get weekdays as well. So what is the format, system generated format? It will be in DD, MM, YYY. So give the same format. For example, I want 08, 08 till 12, end of the year 2022. If I just click on enter, I'll be getting only weekdays. So for example, I can turn this to long date, or I will change the format to know what day it is. Now you can see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Again. Okay, so these are some shortcut keys which really helps you in real time. Okay, you can save a lot of your time. Okay, that is the main thing, my motto here. So I'll be dealing from few shortcut keys, how to access shortcut keys as well. What is a shortcut key for getting today's date? Anybody, any idea? Today's date.
Control semicolon.
So time. Control plus semicolon will give you the date. Control plus shift plus semicolon will give you the time. And what is the shortcut key to create new sheet?
Control N.
Control N, new workbook. Shift F11. Shift F11 will create a new sheet. Shift F11 will create a new sheet. So here it got created a new sheet. Okay. So these are some main things which I'm going to cover. So starting from how to access shortcut keys. For example, I have a data. Okay, I have a data. These are 6 subjects. I want to apply a background color. Simply what you'll do, you'll move your cursor here and you will check here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just select the range With the help of shortcut keys, see, I'm accessing all the shortcuts with the help of keyboard only. If you want to do a font color, Alt HFC. I want to make text bold, Alt H1. Okay, so I'll be covering each and every option and each and every formula. So what it is, how it is used, and how can we use those formulas in real time. Okay, for example, if you take home tab, so these are called as tabs: home tab, insert tab, page down. For example, if you take home tab, in home tab you'll be seeing all the formatting functions. Can anyone tell me what are formatting functions? We will not change any value, but we will add some beautification to the range. For example, merging cells. For example, alignments. For example, adding a background color, increasing the font size. Okay, conditional formatting. Again, formatting based on the condition the cells are formatted. Format as table. Cell styles. Again, it's a formatting, beautification, inserting, deleting, format. So each and every option I'm going to cover. Okay, each and every option. I just wanted to show you some, see, these are all the shortcut keys, which you will be using in day-to-day life. So paste values, background color, bold, all borders which you are going to use. And see how many types of merge are available. Merge in center, this is merge across, merge cells, and some activity on this. How to use merge cells. Okay. So in home tab, each and everything will be covered. Okay. So right now, everyone are looking at the option how I have done this, right? 1 to 1000 and 1 to 10,000. So here we go. This is the option fill series. This is a window. So how we can use these, options? How can be in real time as well? And with the help of keyboard, how can we opt this window? How can we get this window? Okay. So if I tell you the shortcuts, if I click on all the tabs are highlighted. All the tabs are highlighted. Okay. So if I click on hedge, whatever the options which are under home tab, you can see highlighted with the characters. So whatever the option you want to use, you have to know what is the use of that option and where it is. Okay. So it is in home tab or insert tab or in data or in formulas tab. Okay. So in this way, we can use many shortcuts instead of using mouse. So instead of learning pages shortcut keys, you can use this method to opt all the shortcut keys. Is that great or not? Hello.
Yes.
Instead of learning all the shortcut keys by pages, taking out printouts and everything, if you click on Alt, see, if you click on Alt, all the tabs are highlighted with a character. So if you press that character in the keyboard, on the keyboard, whatever the options under the tab will be highlighted with some characters. So whatever the option you want to use, just press that character. That option will be enabled. So this is how we'll be using all the shortcut keys in real time. Instead of learning, if you use this method, it will be very easier. Not all the shortcut keys are used every time, only few. Whenever you want to use, you can habituate by clicking on Alt, whatever the tab you want, you can opt that tab, and whatever the option which are under tabs, you can opt those options and you can perform some actions in Excel. Okay. So each and every option.
Do we need to use the control key?
You can, ma'am. You can. There are many shortcuts with control. If you want to use control key, it's your wish, and you have to learn all those shortcut keys. But this method, what I'm saying is, it's very easy. Alt, H, go ahead. Whatever the option you want, you can.
Oh, okay. When you hit Alt and then you can directly hit whatever you want, C,
Yes.
B, X,
Yes.
or stuff like
Yes,
that without
yes,
using control
anything,
key, right?
anything.
Okay, great.
Okay. Okay. And next, coming to insert tab. So can anyone tell me, so-called real-time experts knows only pivot tables and VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is a function formula. Pivot table is a tool which. What is the use of pivot table? Anyone has an idea? Summarizing the data. We'll be creating some sort of report from the base data. Base data is nothing but raw data. Okay. So in insert, so-called experts knows only pivot tables and VLOOKUP. So, but there are many other options in pivot table as well. Okay. Other options means, for example, I'll show you some example. Let me open this. This is the data I have. So can you see table designs here? Can you not see
Yes.
table designs? But here, if you see here, you can't see table designs. So how we get table designs? If your data is in table style, you can see this table design. So we will be learning options under table styles as well. So if you go to pivot table, if you apply pivot table, there are options under pivot table and designs. You can see here. You will be learning all these options: pivot table analyze and pivot table options. So in these designs, you have layouts, different sort of layouts, which might be useful at some point of time, not every time. But if you know all these options, it will be very helpful for you in your real time. See, for a snapshot, I'll be showing report layout, outline form, and compact form. If you want tabular form, repeat all item labels. See, all item labels are repeated. So not only basic pivot table, I'll be covering all the options, tools, whatever we have. Pivot table is a tool. Under pivot table, we have designs tab and pivot table analyze tab. So we'll be covering all those options which are under each tool. So if you go to table, again, table has different tools. Table is a tool. Under that tool, there are different options. So I'll be covering all those table options as well. Okay. So in pivot table, it's a slicer, timeliner, pivot charts, everything, whatnot, everything will be covered in pivots. What else you have in pivot? Charts. What more important options you have? Spark lines, which will be used in recent days, and this option is in latest Excel versions from 2013, I guess. These spark lines are available, and creating hyperlinks. So all these are very, very important in Inserter. Okay, but I'll be covering most of the options. Slicer, timelines, spark lines, charts. Not only charts, in charts we have dynamic charts, how to create dynamic charts. Okay, so next, coming to page layout. So what do you see in page layout when it is used? Vinay, can you tell me?
Page layout.
Yeah, page layout, when it is useful for taking only printouts.
Printout,
Apart
yes.
from that, will you use anything?
Not actually.
Yeah, mostly page layouts will be using in page, but printouts, mostly in printouts will be using this page layout. So here there are some options which are useful. So I'll be covering those options which are very, very useful. There are some options which are not useful. We can use directly, instead of going to page layout, we can directly select those objects directly instead of going to page layout. So that I'll be covering while I'm teaching page layout. So it's a small thing, page layout. So setting up page size. Okay, print area. Print area, which is very, very useful in your real time. And print titles, which is very, very useful. Okay. And next tab, formulas. So coming to formulas, the best part in formulas, so whatever the options you can just click on, you can enjoy the output, but in formulas, you have to concentrate. So I can say it will be somewhat tougher, but anyhow, you opted for course, definitely you have to learn formulas. So the most, what I can say, the toughest part is only the formulas. Basic formulas and how to use those formulas in your real time. For example, anybody has knowledge on VLOOKUP?
Yes.
Yes, VLOOKUP, great. Okay. So madam, this is the situation.
Okay.
Can I pull customer and products?
Yes.
How?
So customer and products, what is the main identical data you want to have it? The
Based
IDs.
on
Yeah.
IDs, can we pull products and customer?
Yes.
No,
With
it's not
VLOOKUP?
possible. No, sir, it's not possible in VLOOKUP.
Yes. Go. It's not possible, man.
It's possible
Why?
in index and match function.
So VLOOKUP will work towards down and towards right, not towards left.
Oh, okay. Then how about changing, getting the column of IDs to the left-hand side and then doing the VLOOKUP?
Yes, then we have to use index and match, which is better than VLOOKUP, I can say. Okay. There, see,
Okay.
in real time, see, ma'am, you'll be applying for this situation. If I give you, you'll be applying 4 times. You'll be copy pasting 4 times the same formula.
Yeah.
But see here, what I'll do just a Control D and Control R. Everything is coming. The same thing with VLOOKUP. So if you have multiple columns, how to get that information without putting column index number? Okay, so here, Control D, Control R. So these sort of formulas you will be learning here. Okay, VLOOKUP, yes, everybody knows VLOOKUP. So what is the advanced part? So in that VLOOKUP, we are using some more function, one more function called match. Why we are using match function in VLOOKUP? Here also, index and match. So why we are using index and match? Combining. Okay, and there are some text formulas. There are some text formulas you see here. There are some real-time requirements which I have gone through. Many such type of requirements I have included in this content as well. So one person came and asked me about how many words I have to count, how many words are there in a particular cell. There is no formula to count, but with the help of multiple formulas, with the help of multiple formulas, we found the logic. So based on that logic, I got a number 9, 8, 9, 11, 7. So for example, if I include any word, enter, automatically I'll get the number of words used. Okay. So basic formulas I'll be covering. These are the basic formulas, but how to use these formulas in real time. So based on if you're facing any sort of, toughest situation, if you're facing any tough situation, if there is no formula, so how to create that, how to merge these formulas and create your own formula to get the solution. So these are some formulas combiningly we are using. Like for example, if I ask you to extract only the first name, so this is a formula. We are using left and find. Last name, we are using right and left and find. Okay. So mostly we'll be concentrating most of our time in formulas only. Why? Because anyhow options, just click the option, give the input, you will be getting the output. But in formulas, you have to follow the rule. What type of input you are giving, what type of output you are expecting before applying the formula, you have to know. Okay. So here we created some situations which we come across in our experience these many years. So we added all those. So based on that, if you are facing any such type of tough situation, you can use these formulas. Recently, one person came and asked, they want to import the PDF file which is getting in one line, and they want to segregate. So without text formulas, it's not possible to segregate the data, which is in one cell. Okay, it might be useful. And there are some arithmetic and statistical formulas which I have count, blank. So after these formulas, with the base of these formulas, we'll be creating a simple dynamics dashboard. Okay, how you will be creating these charts. Simply I just created this situation. I used only simple formulas, count, if, and sum if. And based on this, I applied a chart, dynamic chart. So based on when the data changes, based on my visual query, so automatically my chart will change. So how to create these charts, dynamic charts? And we have lookup and reference. We have seen we look up, index and match. Here you can see choose formula as well. Basic choose is different, and with the help of choose, I have created a dynamic charts, which is picking up this data Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. When you're dynamically selecting, automatically it will select. But here, with the help of formula only I have created. So this is a formula, batch 336. This is the formula. With the help of this formula, I created this chart, and I'll be telling the process how to create chart based on this formula. So how to select that range? When the range is automatically changing, that should be reflecting on your chart. Even that also can be done by using offset and match. Offset is nothing but selecting a range with the help of formula. So dynamically we can create dynamic ranges and dynamic charts. So based on your query and based on your situations, you can create those dynamic formulas and charts. Okay. So, and here in formulas, you'll be learning text formulas, arithmetic and static, and lookup and reference. In lookup and reference, there are many formulas and some logical functions, some informative functions, some date and time functions. But mostly you'll be learning some 60 to 100 formulas. Okay, and how to, there are some situations created. So how to use, how these things, how these examples will be helpful in your real time. So those situations also covered here. Okay, it's about formulas thing. Next, data. So data tab, how to import data sets to Excel. So mostly you'll be finding in data tab, most of the options related to that only. So you can see here data. I can tell you from Access, from web, from text, from SQL Server. So, but I don't have all this. Remove duplicates, text to columns, data validation, flash fill, how to use flash fill, consolidate, what if analysis, group, ungroup, and subtotal. And in review, if you go to these basic options, I'll be covering only this. You can check out all these options. New comment, just click here, you'll be getting a new comment. So protect sheet, how to protect your sheet, protect workbook, how to protect workbook. Okay, if your workbook is shared over the network, how to protect that as well. Okay, view, how to view the window. Free space, which is very, very important. And auditing people, they will be arrange the windows horizontally, and you can observe synchronous. If I put synchronous, both my sheets will see, both my sheets will scroll. You can see, you can able to see, right? Both my Excel workbooks are scrolling. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So all these options which are used, I'll be showing all these options. Okay, Power Pivot, no, it's a subject. You can, instead of Power Pivot, if you learn Power BI, that is very helpful in current market. It has a lot of scope. Power BI, good openings, good packages for Power BI and Power Pivot. And next, coming to Developer tab. Developer tab is all about VBA. What is VBA? Can anyone know? Anyone has a knowledge on VBA? VBA. What is the use of VBA?
We write some codes to run the function.
Yeah. So whatever the task which you are dealing with daily, if that is a repetitive task, you can automate directly. So once you have the data, once you have a template, which is the data is similar, but rows are adding. So for that sort of reports, you can automate with the help of VBA. So once the data is updated, if you just click a button, whatever the manual things you're doing daily to bring out the final report, so that you can write a code and you can execute within fraction of seconds, your work is done. Okay. It's a purely automation thing. So you need to have coding knowledge. Even if you don't have coding knowledge, so that's fine. Okay. That's it for now. So any questions, if you have, I'm here to answer. Any questions, guys? Hello.
What is the schedule of the classes?
Schedule, time?
Yeah, a time. Is it like Monday to Friday?
Yes, it's Monday to Friday, morning to evening. Monday evening, 7 to 8:30.
So Monday to Friday, 7 to 8:30.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and it's for 4 weeks?
Yeah, it's for 4 weeks. Based on hours, if I cover complete 1.5 hours, I can complete within 15 days also. But based on the content, how you're taking, examples. So it depends on students as well.
Okay, just in case if we miss one class, will the recordings, listening to the recordings of the class help?
I already shared recording for you. Yeah. Savita, you have this question, right? Hello. Hello. I'm audible to everyone, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Savita, what is it? Yeah. Santosh, you have questions?
No, okay, so yeah. In this session, we will learn VBA and macro session also. Some basic knowledge.
This is not the session. So this is only for Excel and advanced Excel. So here I'll be covering only the Excel part. So during the weekends, last weekend, I just gave an introduction. I think Savita is also there. So this week, I'm going to start that batch for VBA, Excel and VBA. So if interested candidates, they can join for that VBA batch on weekends, only on weekends.
Okay.
So Monday to Friday, you'll be having, 1.5 hour session, and weekends you will be having 3 to 4 hours session continuously.
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Vinny, you have questions?
Yeah, actually not, sir. Nothing.
No, cool.
Yeah.
So you'll be learning this Excel advanced part.
Sorry, what was it?
So you'll be learning all these things. You're going to join?
I would like to. Yeah, excited to do.
Yeah, cool. Anyone else? Monojit sir? Tina ma'am? Praveen?
No,
Pushpavali?
sir, I don't
No,
have any
sir.
question.
Pushpavali, ma'am, tell me.
No, sir.
Hina ma'am.
Classes will start from Monday to from Monday, no, sir?
Monday to Friday only in the evenings.
Okay.
7 to 8:30. Or you have any other preferable timings?
No, sir. I prefer to only evening time.
Okay, cool. This is from Hina ma'am.
So tomorrow is there no class, no, sir? From Monday.
Tomorrow we have here. Tomorrow I'll tell you once I got the admin will tell me. So group of people has registered. So if I have group of people, definitely I'm going to start.
Okay.
So this is just like a demo I am giving. So even if you many people are, if I have good number, definitely I'm going to start.
Okay.
Okay.
At what
So
time the tomorrow will the class will start?
Tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
Okay, evening only.
Evening only.
Oh, okay, then. Thank you.
Yeah. So anyone? Hina ma'am. Hello. Hina ma'am, you can chat. You can drop a message over the chat window as well. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, I think we are in the WhatsApp group. You can drop a question over there. And one thing what I want to say is, so every day after completing still any questions? Okay. So tomorrow I'll be starting the first session. So interested candidates, please join for the first session. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So first few sessions, there won't be anything. So you can see my session, and so once every registration is done, this batch will continue continuously. Okay. And for 2 to 3 days, it will be going very slow. For 2 to 3 days, the session will be going very slow. If at all, if I get some low numbers, I'll be adding few numbers for this batch. So I think most of you will be cooperating with us till the batch formation for 2 to 3 days, only for 2 to 3 days. So mean that while, so it will go very slowly. So you can see tomorrow session, join tomorrow session and see how the class is going on, what options I'm going to cover, what examples I'm going to teach, each and everything you can see from tomorrow. Okay. This is the overall view which I am going to teach. I just give as a glimpse only. So from tomorrow you'll be seeing in detail wise. Okay, what is the shortcut I'm using, how to get, serial number, what sort of data, what shortcut keys you are going to use. Each and everything will be covered from tomorrow. Okay, this is just a overall introduction. Whatever the content which I'm going to teach, I just showed it to you. Okay, if at all, if you face any real-time situation, if at all, if you're facing problem with your real-time task, you can, you can bring out that situation to us, and definitely we are here to help you for that as well. Okay, dashboard preparation or solution for that any situation, everything. So we are going to help you in that as well. Okay, so still any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you all, thank you for your time. Tomorrow I'm expecting the same number to see the first session.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, have a great day, good night.